Hey guys, it's Kayla. New camera, I know. I'm basically going to just be giving you a rundown of what's going to be going on. So, this is my vlog for Germany. My mom's retired military, so we can kinda go most any place in the world for free, and I just now found out. So, I'm going to be going to Germany and maybe Paris. I'm not too sure what's gonna happen. This was actually kind of on the spot, but yeah, I am not completely packed. By the way, I might look like a mess. I just got back from a wedding, which means that I'm going to have so many things to edit when I get home, pictures, videos, etc. Everything. I'm gonna have to edit everything when I get home. Let me set you up. Okay, so I'm going to be going to Germany, and I'm going to be riding on a military flight, and this is my vlog. My legs are shaking. I just got back from a wedding, and I was that person that was just dancing the entire time in 5-inch platform heels, so yeah. Not only that, tomorrow is also my 1-year anniversary, and tomorrow is my exam, so this should be fun. I would stay and talk, but I'm gonna be honest, I really have to pee. I guess next time I see you will be after school tomorrow, in the car, sometime on my way to Germany. But what I know is going to happen is I'm going to drive to South Carolina with my mom, and then we are going to go to a military base, and they're going to get us onto a military flight, and we will head on over to either Paris or Germany. Sounds good. I don't really know. I'm not sure if I should do daily vlogs or just kind of fit things in wherever they fit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my little vlog thing. I am not ready for all of this. I'm shaking right now. Like, my feet, I cannot stop vibrating in my legs because I've been dancing so much. I've got way too much on my mind to get good grades on the exams tomorrow. I will see you guys in the next clip. Bye.
Hey, we're the boys! The boys? Are you the boys? Are you the boys? Are you the boys? Hi!
Okay, hi. Different location. It might sound really echoey in here because, I don't know. It's just an empty house. Okay, I am at my mom's house. It took me about an hour and a half to get here. Usually it takes me about 3 hours to get from northern Kentucky to southern Kentucky, but the traffic was really good since it's a Monday night. And yeah, I have my fatso, Miles, over here. Say hi! Okay, he's the interesting looking one. Flash photos on screen here. Where's Rascal? Rascal? Okay. Apparently Rascal's camera shy, now we know. Let me just put you guys right here. Actually not. I think this is the first time of me appearing makeupless on YouTube. Now you know. But I've kind of figured out most of what we're going to be doing. No. Stop. Hey. Hey, you. Sit. Sit. No. Ah, fuck. I'm just gonna have to hold you. I think what's going to happen is we are going to go to South Carolina for something, I don't know, and then we're going to go to Germany and stay in a hotel. We were initially going to stay with my mom's friends, but apparently they are not home. So we're gonna be staying in a hotel, and I didn't really realize how small Germany is compared to America. So yeah, you can pretty much ride a train anywhere, so we're gonna be riding trains to like the castles in Germany and all of the stuff in Paris. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next clip. Right. Rascal.
Alright, Haley, you don't need keys.
Okay.
What keys do you have?
This is the room where I like walked in one day and I just had an hour to pack up and I had to leave, and this is a really cool idea. I love this. It's like a closet in here. And I feel like this is like one of the coolest things ever. But yeah. It's true, mirrors really do open up a room because like that mirror wall makes the room look literally twice as big. So I will see you guys probably in the next... Well, actually, I'm probably gonna film a little bit on the road and then film at the hotel. So, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Later, and here we are. We're at the hotel or inn or whatever it's called. It took about more than 10 hours to get here. I don't know like how to make this thing focus because the lighting situation, like, this is about as good as it gets. Maybe in the bathroom it'll be better. I just realized that tomorrow we are going to be waiting literally all day. We're just gonna be sitting in the waiting room waiting for a flight because it doesn't come until later tomorrow night. So we're going to sleep tonight, then we have to wake up before 8 a.m. and then we have to turn our rental car in, and then we just have to wait. And because we have to turn the rental car in really early, we can't go anywhere or do anything, so since I'm going to be sleeping on the flight at night, I will probably sleep tonight and then wake up tomorrow, watch YouTube as much as possible, and then sleep on the flight. Also, another thing, it hasn't set in my mind yet that school is over. And I don't know why, but it hasn't yet. I still feel like I'm gonna go back to school. Probably because this has been a really long, painfully long year for me. I'm gonna end that here for today. I guess this might be officially day 1-ish? I don't know. But I'll figure that all out when I'm editing it. I might not edit it in Dayz because I don't know, like it doesn't seem like today was very interesting at all. I was just preparing for the interesting stuff. So yeah, and then also my hair decided not to be styled anymore, and it sucks because I hate it when this happens. Freaking gravity! People ask me all the time why I bring my entire setup with me. And this is why. I can just sit on the back of a toilet anywhere and do my makeup comfortably. So I win. Shut up.
Oh, sweet